Hello everyone friends, on the Velour channel. Today I'll show how to transfer photos from PC to iPhone. For this, go to Microsoft Store. Here we simply type Access. Or iPhone, I don't remember what the app is called. Apple devices. There. Download it and open it. Then connect your iPhone. There. And then we go to Files, so you can go to Photos. There. Go to Files, select here Download Chrome, Spotify, or something else to iPhone. Go here and transfer the photos you need here accordingly. There. Just move like this, moving them, and then on your iPhone, in Files or Chrome, you'll find these files. That's all. I was Velour. Hit like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.